Hello! Nandito na yung pinakamaganda mong friend. Okay, see you! Hello! Ay, did you get it for us na? Oh, nice! Okay, this is the keys sa door. Okay.
See you upstairs.
Thank you so much. See ya. They got the car, the pass na pala.
Dinosaur.
Dinosaur era siya ngayon.
Bago lang yun.
Couple of weeks na siya.
Wait, mag-video tayo ng anong dinala nyo?
Oh!
Wait.
Hi, we're Paul and Daryl and we prepared clam chowder.
Clam chowder. Wow, that looks good. Did you really cook that or did you buy that?
I did. I bought 10 soups from Tim Hortons, put them all in one pan, and then heat it.
Oh, that's why you said you prepared it.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. For Ivy and Jimmy, we brought curry bread, toasted to perfection. And this is what you call a spinach dip.
Oh, you put it on top.
Spinach and cheese
Oh
dip.
my god, I thought it was
On top of
lacking.
curry. Yum!
Spinach
Let's
dip.
eat.
Oh my gosh.
We're James and Rhea and we made salmon with panko and parmesan toppings. Ano na? Something.
It's giving contees. We're JM and Yuli and we bought pizza.
2 and ice cream inside.
And ice
the fridge.
cream, of course.
Seryoso pala yung ice cream.
Nagtawa siya, nahihiya na kami sa mga kapit ba?
Naririnig ba sa...
I guess.
Jacob, what do you want?
Kasi narinig namin sa kabila.
Darling.
Sa inyo, hindi niya narinig.
Naririnig. May kapit
Sa North.
North?
Bakit sa North?
Ano?
Alam mo ba sa South yung maganda?
Kasi mag-Switzerland din naman siya.
Magkalapit ba yun?
Kalapit pala.
Rory! Rory, you're such a well-behaved baby.
Yung mga requirements ng isa.
This is so good.
4 classes. Ina-attend namin.
Kuha ng
Tapos,
spoon.
bawat...
Hi! That's Kawartha Lake's moose tracks. I love that.
We bought it for you.
What's
It's your favorite flavor.
Thank you so much.
Ask again.
What's that, Rory? What? What do you want? Okay, responsorial song.
I'll think about it. Yes!
Yes! You're going to Hollywood!
What yung feeling ko? Pag nakabas, mabilis lang.
Rory, nibble, nibble. Sarap. Sarap, Rory.
Yum!
Watch party.
Nalamlamin din na.
Wag ngayon kasi baka nakakayak pala siya, maiyak ako.
For the vlog.
Ayoko.
Saan tong picture?
Student.
Hindi ko alam.
Nag-move to Canada.
Welcome to Pearson. Maleta lang. Unrealistic. 1 star.
House of Lechon.
Oh.
1 month pa lang, don't give up. Ang hirap kaya maghanap ng trabaho. Oh, even 1 year.
Wow.
Maaway na sets, maging hiwalay na sila.
Wow.
Feeling ng lalaki, wala siyang kwenta. Kasi makahanap ng trabaho.
Ang sarap.
Oo nga, weird. Kasi namimiss niya.
Tapos magsisisihan na sila. Ikaw, may gusto ko mata dito. Hirap mo buhay dito. Oo nga siya.
Ito ka, wala mo tayo. Sa Kennedy yan.
Ayan. Pwede ko i-usap. Fingers open. Si Rory. Ay.
Pasan mo siya.
Grabe ka rin. Wala pa kami. Happy birthday! Bawal TV.
Gagawa na yan. Gagawa na yan.
Made in Arizona.
Made in Arizona.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
No, Rory.
0 degree. 0 to 10. 0 to 10.
The first couple.
Ano pa din? Warmer than warmer.
Bye.
The second couple
To
leaves.
the other 34 years old.
Divided by 2.
They'll be flying to.
To Phoenix, Arizona.
Baka hindi rin
So we're gonna try
ma-appreciate.
ginger beer.
Okay.
Let's this. Tapos pagka walang mic.
Naririnig na. But it's better.
Kanina tinatanong ko siya, ano yung NGL?
Ano ba yan?
Not gonna lie, di ba?
You're such a boomer. Cheers.
Ay nako, TBH. Cheers!
Cheers. Uy, si Dio dahil walang beer. Wala. Okay,
Cheers.
now that the straights are gone. The gays are gonna party.
Cheers!
Party with ginger beer. Here's the beer.
Para siyang
Makeup
ano?
vlogger.
Para siyang...
Oh my God. Like, gumuguhit yung ginger.
Oh, favorite ko siya.
Yeah, it's
Sarap.
good.
Refreshing.
I think okay siya pag may sipon ka, ganyan.
Kung ayaw mo nang salaba na mainit.
Thank you guys for
Thank you.
hosting again. Happy Valentine's.
Happy Valentine's.
See you
in
sa-
Mexico. In Mexico.
Sa birthday ni
Kaya
Rhea.
mag-Mexico tayo.
Kailan ba yung birthday ni Rhea?
Hindi mo alam. Taon-taon natin
April.
celebrate.
April ba yun?
March. Malapit na actually.
Fairness sa interior shot.
Oh.
Unexpected twist.
Hindi naman sa Calgary. These time jumps are confusing. Ay!
Kinokompleto mo yung alphabet.
Ah!
Umuo ka ba para hindi na ako makalis dito?
Oh, mahal mo ba ako dahil kailangan mo ako?
Milan.
Kailangan mo ko dahil mahal mo ako.
Wow, there's a placement video.
Tama lakas.
I won't charge you. She's falling talaga. Yun na!
So get married then. That's the new pathway. Beautiful. Hello, love, goodbye again. Don't go to America, Joe. He will deport you. So, what can you say? Hello, love, again.
It's good. It's nice.
It's beautiful. So much better than Maple Leaf Dreams. I love the story. I love the characters. And I love you. Okay, so that concludes our Valentine video. I hope you guys had a great Valentine celebration with your loved ones. I hope you did something special.
What? We didn't have anything special here. We don't have wine or popcorn.
We had pizza earlier.
Leftover
Leftover
from
pizza
yesterday.
from last night. But yeah, I enjoyed watching these two Filipino films set in Canada. I told you we should have watched this in the cinema. I was telling him like, we should go watch it in Cineplex, and he didn't want to. Now he has to watch a lot of Filipino films. Anyway, thanks for tuning in, guys. If you like this video, please don't forget to click like and subscribe. And we're not the same caliber as these movies, but you can follow our journey along here in Canada by watching all of our videos in this channel. We'll see you in the next one. Happy Valentine's and happy snowstorm. Bye.